So hi guys, kung naghahanap nga kayo ng pangregalo this coming Christmas para sa inyong mga little ones, keep on watching. First is itong cake na for pretend play guys. Kahit pang lalaki pwede to guys ha. This one is a pretend play cake. It develops their motor skills kasi ayan, mahirap. 'Di ba sa kanila naman medyo nahihirapan pa silang mag-shoot ganyan. So yan, motor skills and identification of colors, numbers, fruits of course. And yes, and pretend play. Next naman natin is itong mid-year washable marker. This one is 6 pieces ang laman yan. Meron din tong 12 pieces alam ko. And 2-in-1 na yan guys. Yung isang dulo niyan, stamp. And may iba't ibang drawings yan. This one is star. Ayan. Star yan. And yung dulo niyan is round tip. And also washable. And number 1 important, this one is designed for babies. Kaya mas maganda na ganito na lang yung bilhin natin. And mura lang to guys ha. Sobrang mura lang nito. Pwede nyo na itong pangregalo sa mga inaanak nyo. Less than 200 to. This one naman is, alam ko 300 plus or less than 300. Ganyan. 12 pieces na rin yan. And this one naman, yung normal lang na round tip washable marker. Ganyan lang siya. So yun. And sobrang nakakaaliw. Also, this one naman, itong pang paint. Para lang maiba yung activities ng mga little ones. Ayan. Meron na yan 12 pieces. O, ayan. 12 poster color. And washable din yan, guys. Kahit sa damit, malagyan man sila ng paint sa damit, nalalabhan naman siya, natatanggal. Ganyan. And this one is less than 200 pesos lang. Parang 180 or 190 lang. Next naman natin, this one, identification of animals, guys. Matching animals, ganyan ang mga benefits nito. Sobrang ganda nito. This one is from Bolly Baby and kaka-restock lang nila nito. Kaya pwedeng-pwede nyo tong gawing pang regalo yan. May kasamang 12 pieces na cards. And this one, animals naman na imamatch nyo dito sa kanila. Ganon. And yun. Super ganda nito guys. And pag binili nyo to guys, kasama na yung bag niya. Yan. So guys, yan. Yan lang. Bye!